Next up is number 5. So now I've got y equals x plus 2 and 3x plus 3y equals 6. I'm going to use my top equation here because I have y equals, and that's going to make it easy to substitute into the other equation. So I'm going to take this x plus 2, and I'm going to substitute it in for this y. So instead of 3x plus 3y, I'm going to get 3x plus 3 times that x plus 2 right there. Equals 6. So again, instead of the y, I have an x plus 2 because that's what the y equals up above. Now if we think about what we did on the others, you really should look at the left and the right side and see, is there any math I need to do on each side? So if I look at this, I do have a 3 to distribute. I get 3x plus 6. There is still math I can do. I can actually combine those together and get 6x. So you really should work this whole side out until you either have an x and a constant number here, or just an amount of x's, or just a constant number. And then if we look on the other side, I just have equals 6, so there's nothing left for me to do on that other side. Now, if it helps to draw your line there, make sure you're doing that. So now I start solving. I have x's on the left, so I'm just going to keep them there. I don't need to move any of my x's, but I do have a constant here that I need to move over with this constant. It's going to cancel out here, and I have 6x equals. Now these also cancel. That doesn't mean it's no solution. It doesn't mean that something went wrong. It means I have a 0 here. And if I continue my work, I see that x is going to equal 0. X is allowed to equal 0. It's okay. That doesn't mean you did anything wrong. Double check your math, but it doesn't automatically mean something's wrong. So now I can substitute this x or this x with a 0. I'm going to choose the top x just because I won't have any solving to do. I will just have some arithmetic to do. So I'm going to substitute there. So I get y equals, instead of x, I have a 0 plus 2. And I get y equals 2. So x is 0, y is 2.